Welcome back to the new video of Android tutorials, and in this part we are going to add an alert confirmation dialog in Android Studio. So when user will click any of the button, he will be done the method as per click, and we are going to add it in two two ways. First, when user click on custom button, or when user click on back press method. And we are also going to implement rate us, so user can rate us on clicking exit button. So first of all, I am going to change this text view to button view, button, so we can click it. So here our button is generated. Now add some padding to it, and padding will be 5 dp. So button become huge. Now assign its id. So our button id will be create dialog. So this is our id. Now click Ctrl A and Ctrl Alt L to align our code perfectly. Now we have created our button, so you can see it here. Our button is created. Now we are going to cast it in our main activity.java. So write private button m exit button. So it will generate an error, so press alt enter. So this will import the button. Now click it and cast our button. So m exit button is equal to find view by id r dot id dot our exit create dialog. After that, we are going to add click listener on our exit button. So m exit button dot on click listener, set on click listener will come. So set on click listener and then new of on click listener. And now in our on click listener we are going to create one custom method. That will made an alert dialog, and we are going to use this method twice, on back press method and in main activity. So create alert dialog is our custom method, and it will generate an error. So click on it and create a method in main activity. So here our method is created. Now we have to add alert dialog to our application. So alert dialog dot builder, and write builder is equal to new alert dialog builder and pass the context this. After that, close that and write builder dot set title. And here I am requesting you to subscribe our channel, so I will create a dialog of subscribe and all about YouTube. You can create all about your Android application, and now I am creating about YouTube, so I will write my channel name Android in string format. So Android tutorials subscribe. So I had created this title. Now close it and write builder dot set message. And here why you are going to subscribe me, so give some message to your user. So write subscribe. I am writing this. So Okay, so I had written this message for you, and you can subscribe our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like our content, then please make sure you like this video and share with your friends and social media, so that a useful person who need this video can see that. So builder dot set cancelable, and here write false. This means when user click on anything else, our alert dialog will not disappear. And now we are going to implement three buttons. So first button will be set positive button, and first parameter will be text what we have to show. So first button will be yes. If user click yes, then we are going to close our all activities. So first of all, you have to implement a dialog on dialog interface on click listener, and here you have to write infinity finish infinity. So this will close all the activities and complete that method. Now again write builder dot set negative button and pass no. If user click no, then we are going to implement dialog to disappear. So dialog dot dismiss, or you can use cancel. Then close this and write builder dot set neutral. So this is new feature of our alert dialog, which is different from all the videos that are currently. So we are writing rate us. We can ask a user to rate our application in Play Store, so we can get a higher position. So write new of dialog interface and close this. So first method will be URI. So pass URI is equal to URI dot praise, and pass the string. So this is a sorry, I will copy my link. So that was my previous projects where I had implemented that, and now this is our default link, and now add complete link. So to complete it, write plus dot get application context dot get package name. So this become package name. So this becomes our URI for application. So when user click on latest button, we will get in Play Store with our application. And now we have to write intent. So intent, not integer, intent is equal to new intent, and write intent dot action view, and second parameter will be our URI. Then close this and write start activity. So here it is, and write intent. So here our alert dialog is completed. So we had created our alert dialog, but we had not yet casted it. So to cast it, write alert dialog is equal to builder dot build create. So this will create our alert dialog, and now we are going to cast it. So alert dialog dot show. So this will show our alert dialog, Now we had created this for on click listener on button. So first test our application what changes occur. So here it is my mirroring. So let's wait for the mirror to complete, Android Studio to complete its build up process. Now let me tell you what we had done in this first video. So here we had change our text view to button and assign its ID to create dialog, and we had set its padding to 5 dp. So this much work we had done in our first layout, and in main activity.java we had created a button with private button m exit button, and again created or casted it in main activity. So you can see that casting in on create method. Okay, so here we have casted and set on click listener on it and created new view dot on click listener. Here we created a new method, custom method, that is create alert dialog. So this method creates an alert dialog and show. So first of all, to create alert dialog we had made alert dialog dot builder is equal to new alert dialog builder and pass our context to this. And I, as said you already, I am creating for my YouTube channel, so I had written set title to Android tutorials subscribe. So set a message to our builder that subscribe this channel to learn Android tutorials for free, and set it to cancelable to false. By this method our user when click on anything else instead of this dialog, our dialog will not disappear, means user have to click any of these three buttons to disappear, or he can simply close the app. So first button is yes, which is set positive button, and here we are closing our all the activity in our application. And next button is set negative button. Here we are dismissing our dialog, so user are continuing using our application. And third part, we created retest button, which is different from other YouTubers. So here we have created URI and pass our application link, which will be in the Play Store. So after creating that Play Store, we have created intent of action view to URI and started the activity of intent, and created alert dialog and created it, and we got our alert dialog to show. So now he was like hello world in rotation mode, so we had removed that rotation from here. Let me show you which line it was. So this was our line and we had erased that. And now in main activity.java we have created on back press method and write our custom method. So now Android Studio is running our project and we will see our final output soon. Here is our application. When we tap on hello world, our alert dialog is created. It says Android tutorials subscribe this channel to learn Android tutorial for free. So here we get three buttons of retest, no and yes. When we click on anything elsewhere, our alert dialog is not dismissing. When we click on no button, our alert dialog dismiss. Now our second way is to implement to see our alert dialog. So when we click on this back button, let me show you from here. So when we click on back button, you can see it here, our alert dialog is generated. When we click on yes, our application closes, and as we had not released our app, so we are not going to show rate as button. So this was our Android tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you subscribe this channel and